welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to choose the best Houston Maritime Attorney. It's the updated guide 2023. The best Houston Maritime Attorney can help you as they understand the law thoroughly and will protect you and your right at any cost. Seamen are subject to the same risk of work-related injury as workers in other industries whenever they are on the job. The court and the Houston Maritime Attorney are aware of this and are constantly fighting to uphold general maritime law to safeguard injured mariner. Workers hurt at sea or in the marine sector have the right to pursue the requisite financial compensation under maritime law. An overview of injury that can occur in maritime include accident on jackup rig, deck mishap, tugboat mishap, petroleum platform mishap, barge mishap, accident in commercial fishing, cargo ship collision, shipyard mishap. The need for the Houston Maritime Attorney. Houston is much more than just a center for energy and aerospace. Houston, Texas is the second most populated city in the country for the job, requiring maritime freight transportation between U.S. ports. This brings with the need for Houston Maritime Attorney to protect their rights and help resolve conflict legally. The Port of Houston comprises over 200 commercial and municipal ports, and it handles about 8,200 seagoing vessels and 215,000 barges each year. As a result, no point forgetting that Houston is a home to many maritime injury cases, because maritime personnel injured at sea do not necessarily have the same legal choice as land-based workers. A Houston Maritime Attorney will usually be required to protect their rights and aid them in obtaining damage that result from their maritime injury. Why do you need a qualified Houston Maritime Attorney? The employer may frequently request workers to sign agreement or contract. Workers should have a Houston Maritime Attorney to help them in this situation. You must have any document you are handed evaluated by the experienced Houston Maritime Attorney before signing them to ensure that you are not giving up any of your right to compensation. The fact that insurance company and employer have legal team working on their behalf may be the most crucial factor in why you need a maritime attorney. They aim to settle your claim as quickly and cheaply as possible. Importantly, retaining a Houston Maritime Attorney also means getting assistance from someone who will fight for the amount you are due rather than accepting the offer of compensation. A Houston Maritime Attorney will look into your matter and help to ensure that the other side is reasonable. You'll be ready to battle in court for your compensation if they aren't. Having an adept Houston Maritime Attorney represent your interests is the only way to achieve parity with your employer or insurance provider. While your employer, his insurance and their attorney can handle this matter, you must familiarize yourself with the procedure as an injured employee. Having a Houston Maritime Attorney that routinely handles maritime law dispute is essential to the success of your claim. So that's for part 1. We'll continue in part 2 in the next day.